Good morning. Hello, good morning, Holly. Hi, Zach. Zach, say good morning.
Good morning.
Say magandang umaga po. Say hi, Holly. Good morning, darling. Who's this one? What's your name? How old are you? 3. What's your mom's name?
Jenna.
What's your dad's name?
Dad.
What's the name of your...
John.
What's your brother's name? TJ. And your name? And what's the name of our princess?
Holly. The fans go here. The books go here. The pictures go here.
Ito siya, nagre-review.
The goes here. The letters go here. The puzzles go here. The flowers go here. The places go up here.
Well done. What else? Okay. How about the other one? Record ko itong dami niyang books from school para mayroon kaming copy para ma-review ko siya after. Hi, Kobe. Here, Kuya. You got your bag. See you. Did you say? Okay. Did you say see you to Daddy? And Holly? That's my hubby. John is going to golf. Okay. See you, Kuya. Come on.
I want to do it.
Okay. Ayaw niya na magpahalik. Gusto niya na nagsusultero na daw siya. Okay. Okay, you better go. Okay, see you. Okay, sure. Okay, thanks, Kobe. Ollie,
Say, boys.
See you.
Good boy.
That's right.
Pom-poms tonight, say die.
Okay, make sure you bring 3 pom-poms, okay? At puntang ko na so, ayan, may golf siya. Ito siya. Mainit siya pero mahangin. Ayan, nilalagyan niya na yung kanyang golf stuff. So yeah, ito ang kanyang mga dadalhin. Thank you, Zach, for watching your sister. Do you like it, Holly? Huh? Ang anak ko si Zach, iba ang trip. Nanonood siya ng Peppa na Chinese version. Do you like it, Zach? Put in English one. Why? You understand it, Holly? Do you understand this? Where are you going? Oh, Holly wants Peppa. Hindi talaga siya masaya. You're not feeling well, Holly. Kasi kahapon, immunization niya. Kaya ngayon, dinalagnat siya. Usually, happy baby to it. Right, Holly? Okay, let's change. Ayan, bihis na si Holly. Ready for our grocery. Right, Holly? Are you happy now? Are you okay now, darling? Yeah. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Come here. Say hi. Stop. I got dirty shoes. Okay, stay there then. Ready, get set. 1, 2, 3. Zachary, nakatulog siya. Yeah, we're here. Yeah, we're here. Are you happy? Okay. Okay. Welcome. Okay, ano? Nakapili ka na? Yeah. Let's find the Uno. Hmm? You're welcome. We're here at Kmart. Yeah. Is that for Daddy? Girl, for you, Holly, because Mommy gonna make you home food now, okay? This one, I'm gonna $4 now. Zach here. Follow Mommy, please. Follow Mommy. Ikaw talaga, ha? You wanna hold it now? I'm gonna mash potato, mashed pumpkin.
Oh, Holly likes mashed potato.
Yeah, she used to. And you still do. Yeah. Yeah, only real food for you. How many you gotta get? 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Good. Love spritz. And then a skim salmon, please. Is it yummy? Gusto niyo yung necklace. One day you will get one. Okay, you buy some for me. Get another one. You think so?
Yeah.
Alright.
No more, Mom.
No more?
Yeah.
How about Kuya? Nakatulog na si Holly. Tulog na si baby. Hindi pa kami tapos mag-grocery. Katulog na siya. Come on, Sa. Ayan, ganito lang kayo mag-shopping. Karga-karga ko siya. Human bag, right? Yes, darling. Are you done with your nap? Gising na po siya. We're awake already. And bye! Someone's helping me to push my cart kasi hindi ko na kaya. Ang bigat. Stay here. Stay here. Sure, darling. Okay, get inside. Sorry, we just got home. And the boys are here playing. What's that? You know.
Zachary,
This is Kobe.
you have to pick up 2 because...
So yeah, so I'm just gonna feed Holly.
Okay,
Then after I have to put away my groceries. Hi, thank you for being good today. You're always good anyway, every day. What's that? Tapos lang ang dinner. Ito na silang gugulo. And I can see you, hon. Holly! Ang madugis kong baby. Come on. Hi! Ang dungis-dungis naman ang baby ni Mommy. Go, go, go! Shower quick! TJ, Sa! Go have a shower. Zachary! Go, go! Have a shower, please! And you, let's clean up. Hey, darling. Saan ko na? Kasi tingnan nyo naman, kumain siya ng chocolate pudding. Yes. Right, Holly? She's so sweet. Is the chocolate pudding alright? Yes.
when Zach's asleep, can I have the home?
No, that's a tricky.
Please.
Oh, look at him. Okay, mommy. Ano ginagawa mo kay mama? Why you're hugging mommy? Because you want something. Yes. Say, gusto niya maglaro sa iPad. Today, pagod na ako. Pero okay lang. Kasi ganun talaga ang buhay ng mommy. Diba?
Hi,
Eto na, nakaligo na yung mga kids. Did you have a shower?
Pardon?
Did you? How was
Pardon?
it? Good. How about you, Holly?
Let's go.
So, please subscribe our channel para
Mama, you
makita niyo pa ng ginagawa namin.
Please, I promise.
Are you gonna be good? Or just for tonight? What? Alright. Can you get my phone?
Yes. All of us want to TJ, okay?
Okay. I don't want you to fight, okay? Don't fight, okay? You just watch. Promise? I don't want to hear screaming.
I want to learn Spider-Man. Spider-Man, please. Which one you want to walk with Spider-Man?
Oh, sweet ni Kuya pag may gusto siya, oh. Say good night.
Good night.
Say to them good night.
Good night. Good night.
Say good night, everyone.